What is up, guys? Today we're gonna do a video on installing the Spec-D taillights on the Lancer. Here are the taillights. So first you're gonna have to take off this wire here, leads to the taillights. Just like that. You wanna get a hand tool or like an impact and then remove these two screws. To remove this part, you're gonna have to get a microfiber and a flathead. Put your flathead through here. Alright, I took it off. There's two clips. So next step, you're gonna take this whole component out. So just squish this rubber part and then just pull out. Just like that. Okay, next step is to remove these clips. I don't have a clip remover. I'm just using my flathead. So what you do next is you have to remove this part on both sides and then remove this nut. To remove this, you just get a little flathead, just pry it just like that. So these nuts are 10 millimeters. You want to get an impact or a hand tool. Take off these ones, and you gotta get a pry bar or anything that fits inside this crack and then just pull out from there. You're gonna have to remove this like that and then remove the bolt just by pulling on it like that. Do it for both sides so we can put this on the new taillights. This is how the Lancer looks when the taillights are off. Now to install the Spec-D taillights. Once you put the old plug on the new Spec-D taillights, you just put it back reverse order and then you just plug it in. Just plug it in. Like so. So these Spec-D taillights come with resistors and wires for the taillights. You want to get your resistor wires, plug it in, black to black, and then that one yellow wire to the red wire right there. And then after that, you want to put in your grommet and so water doesn't get in. After that, you just pop in the taillight, and then after that, you just put in the screws, like these two, and then that should be it. But there'll be two different wires for these. This one right here and this one right here. This one's for the left side, but you're gonna have to cross it all the way over here. And the short wire to the left side. I don't know why it's this long. All through here and plugged it in like that. You should be done. Good to go. And here's the final product.